Steam 2 cups of rava tied in a woven cloth for 1.5 hours. Once done, open the bundle and spread the rava on a platter. Next, crush any lumps you find. Add half a cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of minced carrot, and 1.5 cups of soaked and squeezed bread. Add half a cup of finely chopped onion, a few finely chopped curry leaves, and salt to taste. Mix in 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 2 teaspoons of chopped green chilies. Add a pinch of asafoetida. Now, mix everything well. If the mixture seems too dry, add a little water. Next, add 1 dsp of gram flour and mix gently, being careful not to put too much pressure on the dough. Once combined, shape the mixture into small vadas. Finally, deep fry them in hot oil until golden brown. Serve hot with sauce or chutney.